Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw a very cute penguin together. Get your pencil, your eraser, and your favorite colors ready. Sit comfortably, take a deep breath, and let's begin our fun drawing adventure. Follow along slowly and remember, every drawing is special because it is made by you. First, let's draw some tiny fur on top of the head. Make a few short, soft spikes, like little waves or small petals. Don't worry about making them perfect. Just keep them gentle and playful, like the penguin has a fluffy hairstyle. Now, let's draw the big outline of the head. Start from one side and slowly draw a large, round shape, just like a pumpkin. Go all the way around until you connect back to where you started. Nice and smooth, like drawing a big balloon. Next, we will draw the outline of the face inside the head. Make a soft, curved shape that looks like a wide U or a heart-like curve. This will be the penguin's face area, so keep it nice and round. Now it's time to draw the cute eyes. Draw one big circle on the left and another big circle on the right. Make them nice and round and leave a tiny white spot inside each eye to make them look shiny and alive. Let's make the eyes even cuter by adding eyelashes. On the left eye, draw a few small curved lines on the outer side, then do the same on the right eye. These little lines make the penguin look sweet and friendly. Now draw the eyebrows. Above each eye, draw a small curved line. Make them soft and gentle so your penguin looks happy and calm. Next, let's draw the smiling beak. In the middle of the face, draw a small curved shape like a tiny oval. Then add a line inside to show the mouth opening. Make it look like a happy smile. Let's draw the body. Starting from below the head, draw a big oval shape going down and around. This will be the penguin's tummy. Make it nice and round and connect it smoothly back up. Now we draw the arms. On the left side, draw a soft curved shape going down like a little wing. Then draw the same on the right side. These are the penguin's flippers, so keep them smooth and simple. Now draw the feet. At the bottom, draw small shapes for the left foot and the right foot. Each foot can have little bumps to look like tiny toes. Keep them cute and simple. Now it's time to paint. Let's start with the mouth. Carefully color the inside of the beak with a soft pink color. Stay inside the lines and make it bright and cheerful. Next, color the beak with yellow. Fill it in nicely so it stands out and looks warm and happy. Now color the body. Use black color for the outside of the penguin's body and head. Take your time and leave the face and belly area white so your penguin looks just right. Finally, color the feet with yellow. Make them bright and fun so your penguin looks lively and ready to waddle. Wow! Look at your amazing penguin. You did such a wonderful job. But wait, we have a surprise. In just a moment, your penguin is going to come to life in a fun animation. Watch closely and enjoy the magic of your drawing turning into a happy, moving character.
If you had fun, don't forget to like and subscribe for more happy drawings. Bye-bye, little artists. See you next time.